Bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Moi, ça va très bien, merci. Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. I am so happy to see you today. We have a very special lesson today on sentences. You might be thinking, Madame, I don't know how to write sentences. Well, don't worry. In our lesson today, Madame's going to show you how to say, how to read, how to write sentences en français. But before we begin, let's have Ananas join our class. Can you say bonjour, Ananas, in a nice loud voice? Bonjour, Ananas. Oh, la voici. Bonjour. Oh, Ananas. You're going to, oh, she's saying bonjour to you. Are you excited for our lesson today? Aujourd'hui, Ananas? Oui, oui. It's a lot of fun to learn new things. Alors, on va commencer avec les couleurs. Alors, répétez après moi. Noir, blanc, rose, violet, bleu, vert, jaune, orange, rouge. Would you like to choose the color today? Tu veux choisir la couleur? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Ananas, I think I heard rose. Oui, c'est rose? D'accord. On va choisir le rose aujourd'hui. So you're watching French with Ananas. This is lesson 4.13, O sound. Leçon 4.13, son O. Alors, on va commencer, mes amis. Alors, oh, qu'est-ce que c'est, Ananas? Oh, oui. Do you know the name of this object? Do you remember? Motoneige. Can you say that? Motoneige. Now, when we make a sentence, we add some words. So Madame added some words. Now, the beginning here, you see there's one little letter and one word, and it's joined together by an apostrophe. So this combination here says j'ai. Can you say j'ai? And j'ai means I have. J'ai. Now, I want to say that I have une motoneige. So to be able to say that in French, anytime we talk about something, like an object, we need to figure out if it's masculine or feminine, because we need to write that in our sentence and say it also out loud. So over here we see une and there's an e at the end. That means it's a feminine word. Une motoneige. Can you say that? Une motoneige. Now, let's say the whole sentence together. J'ai une motoneige. Encore. Encore means again. J'ai une motoneige. Now, do you know what the sentence means? It means I have a snowmobile. Yay! Bravo! Ananas, is this going to be fun? Oui, you're having fun already. I hope you're having fun too. Oh, delicious. Do you remember the name for this? Is avocat. Avocat. Now, can you tell me if avocat is a masculine or a feminine word? So you would look here at the front. Oh, there's no e here, so it's un avocat. So it's a masculine word. Masculin. Un avocat. Can you repeat the whole sentence? Toute la phrase? J'ai un avocat. Can you say that again? J'ai un avocat. And do you remember what it means? I have an avocado. Bravo! You are getting this. You are doing so well. Keep going. Oh, la belle fleur. Do you remember the name of this beautiful flower? If you said tournesol, you are correct. Tournesol. Bravo. Now, can you tell me if tournesol is masculine or feminine? Est-ce que c'est masculin ou féminin? On regarde ici. Ah, I see there's no E at the end, so it's masculin. Un tournesol. Can you say that? Un tournesol. Now let's try the whole sentence together. J'ai un tournesol. And one more time. J'ai un tournesol. Bravo! You are doing a great job. Keep going. Ooh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Delicious. Do you remember the name for this? Olive. Olive. Now I see a whole bunch in here. So I'm going to say des olives. So the whole sentence is j'ai des olives. Qu'est-ce que c'est, Anana? What do you ask? She would like to know what happens if I only have one olive, une olive. Then we have to figure out, is it masculin or féminin? And we look over here, it's féminin, une olive. Can you say that? Une olive. Alors, on va dire toute la phrase ensemble. J'ai une olive. Encore. J'ai une olive. Bravo! You are so good at this, mes amis. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est, ananas? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Do you know? Do you remember? Oui? Now, the word for this object is po. The T is quiet. Po. Now, can you tell me if po is a masculine word or feminine? Est-ce que c'est masculin ou féminin? You look over here. Masculin, bravo. Un pot. Can you say that? Un pot. Now, let's try the whole sentence together. Toute la phrase. J'ai un pot. One more time. J'ai un pot. Bravo! Yay! C'est bien. C'est beau, mes amis. Oh, une question. It's a question pour madame. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, ananas. Où est mon sac? J'ai mon sac ici. J'ai mon sac, ananas. Voilà mon sac. On va regarder dans le sac. Dans le sac. Dans means inside. Dans le sac. Tu vas mettre ta main dans le sac, ananas. Tu vas mettre ta main dans le sac. Qu'est-ce qu'on a? Oh, something's coming out. Qu'est-ce que... Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, wow. Ananas. It's beautiful. Hein? Anana helped plant the seed dans le pot. Ça, c'est le pot. J'ai planté une graine et voici la belle fleur. Oh, wow. What beautiful flower. Les amis, did you have fun today learning how to say and read and write sentences? Oui? Oui? Anana, did you have a fun time? Oui? Les amis, do you remember how to say see you soon? À bientôt. Can you say à bientôt, madame? À bientôt, Anana. And I'm going to say à bientôt, les amis.